Hey, here's how you research each property that comes up in the tax sale, okay? So go to christianbailey.ca/blog, and then you will find the most recent tax sale blog that I have. So for this example, we're using Richmond County. These are coming up in February and 2024, and you can see that they have a few numbers here that you can research along with the addresses. You can see the amounts that are owing on these properties. But for this, we're trying to find out more information other than what's on here, okay? So for this example, the easiest thing to do is to take the PID or the property ID. So for this example, we're going to grab that. It did take me right to the website, but if you just if you copy this and plug it into viewpoint.ca, it's going to bring up basically a lot of information, but you want to see the map. You want to see the property lines. It's not 100% accurate on Viewpoint, but at least it will show you some of this information. All right. And these are things that you can do before you go drive and go see it. And you can only view it from the road. You're not allowed to go on the property itself. So that is one way. So if it has the PID, very easy. You go to the website, you grab that PID number, and you're good to go. Now, you just click on this or the website, it will take you to the PDF, and that's where you will grab all these numbers. Now, if we go down to some of these other ones, Barrington County has the same thing. Easily just grab that PID number, throw it into Viewpoint, and it'll give you all that information. The other thing that you can do, you can still do it with the properties that have PID numbers, but for Annapolis County, they don't have a PID number. They only have these AAN number, okay, which is basically the assessment number. So you can grab that number and then you toss it into a specific website. So it's pvsc.ca. Now you can see it on my bar here. It will also be in this blog. But the thing that you have to do is you have to put in a 0 before whatever number that there is, okay? So the first number that we saw here was 3870383, all right? Now you go here and you put a 0 in front of it, and then you submit search. And then it will bring you up the amount of acres if there was a previous sale. So it is showing that it did sell in 2020 for $69,000. Also has the tax assessment value, which is not a very accurate number. It's basically what the county will tax that property for every year, okay? And then it'll have some more information. And it does tell us there's a building on it, right? 1.5 story. And so that would, I assume, be a home, has the 1,400 square feet. So this property has a home on it, all right? If we go back here, the minimum bid will start at just under $2,000. All right. The other thing is it means it's redeemable, which means the owners would have up to 6 months to pay off their taxes. So they will hold your money, whatever your bid is, and you win it. They will hold your money for 6 months until the seller can pay off the taxes. And if they don't, you basically own the home. If not, if they do pay the taxes off, then your money is returned with interest. Okay. So that's where you would do it. You would grab this number, you would put it in this website, and it will give you all this information. The other thing that you can do is just plug in the address, but sometimes the address is not very good to search for it in Viewpoint. Sometimes it's a partial address or whatnot, or just a postal code. So that's when you want to take this number and plug it into this website to get more information. Have any questions, reach out, and I hope this was really helpful. Cheers.